check what we got here. Look at this over here. Look at this, look at this. Yes, sir. The new kayak came in. And welcome to another episode of Fishing with El Primo. And your host, El Primo. So we're gonna come and check out what we got. See what's to it, what's not. And then we're gonna test it in the water. Yeah. Yep. It's the feel free. Moken 10 PDL. Yes, sir. Supposed to hold about 425 pounds capacity. Definitely gotta look at the instructions and stuff. Yep. For a budget kayak, you know, they say this is good to go with. So I'm gonna see if it's true or not. A couple recommendations, a couple people, the guy that I talked to, and the salesman. So we're gonna figure out if it's worth the hype, or if there even is a hype. Maybe I just got to talk to the 3 people that I talked to. Nice. We'll figure this out. Thank you. Shout out to you guys from Echo Fishing Shop. Let's see here. Nice. Comes with the tools and everything. Oh, that's definitely helpful. So Echo Fishing Shop sent us these little decals, these little stickers, you know. I am thinking, they're not sponsoring me or nothing, so I think they need to earn their way onto the kayak. And I think the best way to earn your way is to pass. What I mean by passing, I gotta test this thing out. Looks good, but is it functional for a big man like me? I'm 6'3", I'm about 275 pounds, and yeah, let's cast. First cast of the day with this kayak. First I gotta tighten this up because I didn't bring my anchor. I should have brought my anchor. Got one. Oh, I got one. Nice one. Oh, he was so little. He just had the tail. I lost him. I got another one. Another little one. Nice, 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 nice. He's gonna get himself off. There we go. Alrighty then. Nice little guy. Yeah. I always catch him even when it's bad. Hey, check this little guy out. Nice, beautiful colors. Alright, alright, alright. Still haven't got the big boy we wanted, so we need to keep going. And time is running out, actually. I mean, I'm going upwind right now, and I want to push it a little bit. Let's see if we can. I want to see my legs are going to get a workout. So we're jetting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're jetting good. Alright. You know what I like about this is you got good posture where you do it. You can definitely feel the difference. Even though I'm not going as fast as I was with my Pelican, but my little blue. But I do feel I'm doing a good movement. I feel a lot better with my strokes. I mean, all in all, it's not bad. You know, what I expect. You know what I mean? It's not it's doing its job. I'm floating above the water. If all my hands get tired, I'm in a deep place, I can just change to the footing. I mean, I'll probably could learn how to guide it, you know, kind of like a trolling motor. But once again, like I said, I've never done it before. This is new, so there's a learning curve. But all in all, I still like it. It's obviously it's way better than what I had. Yep, that's the truth, man. And I caught some fish with it, so echo fishing, you have earned your place in the sticker. Now we ain't getting no big ones, we got a bunch of dingers, but I said if I go out and test drive it, if I catch a fish, I'm gonna put y'all stickers on it, on the kayak. So you guys earn your spot.
Yep, you guys sure did. I really like this kayak. I think it was awesome. Thank you to Echo Fishing Shop. And yeah, man, it was definitely, I enjoyed it a lot. If you guys like what you guys seen, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys haven't done it yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button. Alright guys, until next time, let's go fishing.